Hi Kristen, we have our annual safety training coming up, as you know, and in the past we've always created a PowerPoint presentation, and because of production needs and requirements, we were no longer able to hold face-to-face meetings with each employee. So the plant manager has asked us to think of another way to do the training that will get the education across, as well as not create so much time off of the floor for production. As you know, in the past, what we've done is create a PowerPoint presentation, print it off, include a short quiz on what's in the PowerPoint presentation, and then we hand that out to each employee. Then the employees have to take the time to go and look through the PowerPoint presentation and fill out the quizzes and hand them back. Once we get them, then we have to correct them, make sure that they didn't answer any of the questions wrong, and then file the paperwork. And if they did answer questions wrong, then we have to go back, find the employee, and with the different shifts, you know, that sometimes is harder to do than it would seem. So it just takes a lot of time in our current way that we're doing the training. So what I wanted to propose to you was a really neat tool that I learned at school, and what it is, it's called Camtasia, and what we can do is we can record the training. So we have this job instruction breakdown sheet, or as we call it, the JIB, and this one is on the medical emergency procedure that we have at our site. We can have this recording, and the employees would be able to bring this up on their computers at whatever time is convenient for them. So when it's second shift or night shift, we don't have to come in to do the training, as well as the employees don't have to come in special on their shift off, so that we can do the face-to-face presentation. They can have this right in their computers. So all we would do is we would go through step by step the JIBs, and we can just you know, emphasize the key points that we want to make, and adding the voice, and we could possibly have some of the safety team members do some of the voiceovers for these. That will really get the employees' attention, and I think keep them captivated. And we can continue to go down step by step, as you can see here, and we can use the pointer to point out specific things that we're wanting to show them and that we want them to remember. Continue to go through, and at the bottom we can make sure that we can remind them that they know where this is kept on the network drive. And I really think that this is going to be a lot better than the PowerPoint presentation. We can do tracking online as well with a spreadsheet, and I think it's really going to captivate the employee's attention a little bit more, and add a little fun into the safety training, because as you know, sometimes safety training can be a little dull. So I hope that you think it's a good idea, and I'd be happy to show you a couple more presentations that I've done, and that way we can possibly do this for our next safety training we have coming up. Okay.